Continuing our vision of the ultimate instrument for the performing musician, we're very proud to introduce the Nord Stage 3. Our outstanding new flagship instrument features all our latest award-winning technologies, including the powerful Nord Lead A1 synth engine with sample playback, the acclaimed Nord C2D Organ Engine, a greatly enhanced piano section, and extensive hands-on effects, all in one exceptional performance keyboard. 2 super clear OLED displays for onstage clarity, seamless transitions when changing programs and sounds, extended split functionality, and the addition of a new song list mode makes the Nord Stage 3 more intuitive and flexible than ever for the live performer. There are 3 sound-generating sections: organ, piano, and synthesizer, all of which can be used simultaneously. Furthermore, the Stage 3 features 2 independent panels, allowing you to have 2 pianos, 2 organs, and 2 synths, plus effects at the same time for massive sonic flexibility. The Stage 3 features seamless transitions when changing sounds or programs while playing. The greatly enhanced piano section features 2 GB of memory for the exclusive Nord Piano library, expanded voice polyphony, and creative new piano filters. Nord's state-of-the-art sampling techniques capture the extraordinary nuances and real character of the source instruments. Our unique advanced string resonance and dynamic pedal noise deliver breathtaking realism and an unsurpassed level of expressiveness. The Nord Stage 3 has a wide selection of grands, uprights, electric pianos, digital pianos, clavinet, and harpsichord from our exclusive Nord Piano library, all carefully selected for their unique characters. All sounds can easily be replaced using the Nord Sound Manager software. The piano section also includes a brand new layer category with rich dynamic layered patches. The piano section also features creative new piano filters. The organ section features our latest award-winning C2D organ simulations of B3 tone wheel and classic transistor organs, plus 2 brand new pipe organs. It is now possible to use 2 different organ models simultaneously, allowing you to creatively blend a B3 with a Vox, Farfisa, or a principal pipe organ. The Stage 3 Compact features our physical drawbars and semi-weighted waterfall keybed. The compact model also supports the Nord Half Moon switch. The synth section is based on our acclaimed Nord Lead A1 synth engine, combined with sample playback and a dedicated OLED display. The Lead A1 synth engine is renowned for its analog modeling warmth and offers brilliant smart oscillator configurations to deliver stunning results with little programming. The synth section also features a brand new oscillator category with massive super waves. The synth section has powerful sample playback capabilities and comes with a wide selection of samples from our Nord sample library, including high-quality samples of strings, guitars, brass, choirs, synths, and much more. We also offer the exclusively licensed sounds of the legendary vintage instruments Mellotron and Chamberlin. all samples can be tweaked creatively inside the A1 Synth engine, and it is even possible to create and transfer your own samples using the Nord sample editor. The powerful effects section contains a wide range of instantly tweakable high-quality effects, including tremolo, phaser, chorus, pan, wah, ring modulator, flanger, and vibe, all modeled after classic stomp boxes. The Stage 3 effects section includes added morphable parameters, an enhanced delay effect, separate reverb and compressor for each panel, and a brand new filter effect. The Stage 3 contains 3 split points and a new split point crossfade functionality. Choose among 3 different crossfade widths, small, large, or off, indicated by different LED colors.